So, Paul, what are we cooking today?
We are cooking pork drunken noodles. This is kale.
That's kale,
This is basil. Belly pork.
Pork belly,
These are
Bell peppers.
bell peppers, garlic, dark soy sauce, fish sauce. This is oyster sauce, stir-fried rice noodles.
That's
and
rice noodles,
bit of sugar.
Is that all we need, or we need something else as well?
That's all what we need.
Okay, let's get started. So we are missing one ingredient. This salt, crystal bay salt. What's the first step?
Okay, so first we get the fat out of this. So I'm gonna get oil using this to prepare the recipe. And these two, I'm gonna leave them together. I'm gonna chop them and fry them to get chicharrones.
To make chicharron, right?
To make chicharron.
Chicharron
includes meat,
It's a
fat, and
ethnic,
skin.
very ethnic recipe of Colombia, where they fry pork belly.
Yes.
Yeah, pork belly with all the fat and the skin. It's really tasty. So Paula will make one para mí.
Now I'm gonna cut these little pieces so they fry easy and quick.
So you're gonna just pour the oil from there to another plate.
Chicharrones are almost ready.
Our
Look how much
fatty.
fat.
That's so much oil from the pork belly. So someone is checking the instructions to cook.
So here I'm gonna put the chicharrones. I can just turn this off. We can have it with yuca, papa, patacon.
So we don't have anything right now. Be careful with
Turn
the
it
water.
off and put the rice noodles here. It's completely done under the water.
Completely immersed, So what's next, Paul?
Next, this. I'm gonna peel this and I'm gonna
Chop it.
machacar.
So now what are you doing, Paul?
Now I'm gonna do this to the garlic.
Crush the garlic.
Crush it.
You already peeled them, yeah?
Yeah. So to make it easier to
Crush it.
crush, we put a bit of this
Crystal salt,
and
that
then
we're missing.
that.
In the meantime, the rice noodles are still
They are ready.
in the water. I think it's just been about 10 minutes, so they need to be taken out and dried. And you have to add cold water to it.
Now this much.
So that's
For
kale,
the
is it?
quality?
Is that kale?
No, this is basil.
Okay, so basil. ¿Qué está haciendo?
I am deshojando,
What does it mean?
taking the leaves out of the roots. We say deshojar.
Deshojar?
We add the oil.
First we are adding the oil.
And the oil is angry. We add the pork. Hola, white. And the patata. Getting all the flavor.
That looks so pretty and it smells so nice.
Now we add the kale.
So you add the kale and stir it, mix it up. So we are just seeing if we need the whole noodles because I felt that it was too much. Oh, that looks so pretty. So the flame has to be low. I'm always ready.
Okay, now we put oyster sauce. Fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce is not too much. Oh my goodness, that is.
That's it.
Dark soy sauce just to give the color. And the sugar is missing. She says a little bit, but I see that she put a lot.
So maybe she likes it a bit sweet, but for us, let's see.
Sweet. Now it mix.
So the last thing that we added is, what is it? Basil? Basil, And then now we're gonna give it a final stir. I'm gonna help Paula stir, and then that should be it. So that's the final product. It tastes like the ones that we have in the restaurant. It looks a bit clingy because, not clingy, a bit sticky because the rice noodles were supposed to be bigger, but we couldn't find it. But it tastes so good. So the chicharron is exploding like a firecracker. I got burnt. Paula was about to get burnt. But it's all worth it.
Different people like the chicharron in different ways. Some people like.
I like chicharron crunchy.
I like crunchy as well.
Because like soft is like soggy. I feel.
Yeah.
I don't like it. That looks almost done, but a little bit more.
Yeah, I'm doing the corners. So it's crunchy everywhere.
So the chicharrons are ready. Let me have a good look at them. So, and a big shout out to Mrigachidi because she shared the recipe on Facebook from where I got it. So, high five, Mrigachidi. So that's the final product. Looks delicious. We have the chicharron. So, we're gonna enjoy the food. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you make it and it's a success, let us know. Buen provecho, Pau. Ciao.